Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video slash vlog. We're currently on the way to the seafront. This feels really weird because I've had to say this all already, but my camera didn't write what I just videoed, it just deleted it, so I'm having to say it all again. Rob had a really good idea. He mentioned that I should have a dawdle around the Whitley Bay charity shops because there are a lot of them. I'm going to try to not buy anything because we don't need anything. You saw in my last vlog, the storage unit that we just bought is because of the fact that I keep buying too much stuff, especially from secondhand furniture shops. All I want to do is have a little walk around and see what's there.
Something to buy, yeah. Set the potato, boy, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway.
Right, I've just been in the first charity shop. I'm not gonna lie, that one was quite expensive, but they did have some nice stuff. They had some really nice gold mirrors. They weren't real. Oh, I've just crossed the road and I need to cross it again. But yeah, they had some really nice gold mirrors. They weren't real, but they were really pretty. Oh, I've just walked past a really nice shop. Let's go in and have a look.
That sweet life, raise your cry.
Hiya. Sorry, hope you don't mind, I'm just vlogging. I just walked past, I was like, oh, it's nice
He asked
in
if
here.
I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah.
Oh, the lady in that shop was so lovely. It's like asking me what I do and stuff, and I was asking her about the business. So if you live in the area, there's a new shop, I forget what it's called. I think it's like Bellwoods or something. She's just opened 6 months ago, and support her. She's got loads of lovely Art Deco stuff, lots and lots to see, some really cool candle shapes and stuff, so definitely go have a look. But anyway, she mentioned that there's a big charity shop around the corner, which is what I'm on the way. I'm making my way there slowly. I think there's a couple more charity shops before we get to the big one, and the big one's like a bit of a furniture shop, so we should have some more. But guys, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't vlogged in public in so long that I'm a bit shy. I think it doesn't really matter now because I think people think that I'm on the phone. But when you get into the shop and it's dead quiet, because charity shops are always so quiet as well, I'm just like... But anyway, there's one here on my left called NFDT. There's one across the road, St. Oswald's Hospice. Then there's an animal rescue one, and then all the way up the street there's the big one I can see on the corner. So I need to hurry up though because I'm taking too long. I need to get home in like 40 minutes.
Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown, you're so...
Right, in that charity shop they had like, I can't remember what they're called. Is it a dresser? But I feel like it had loads of potential. It was £20. Basically had the glass panels up the front, and I thought if I could sand that back, paint it black, as you know, I just love that sort of colour, or even like a really nice light stone colour, then put some cane webbing on that glass panelling on the front, that would be beautiful. And it had really nice shelf storage underneath, and then some drawers underneath as well, like some cupboards. I thought that had a lot of potential. I might consider picking that up and doing a bit of a makeover because I've never done a piece that big before, and I think it's about time. And it was only £20, absolute bargain for £20. Oh, there's another charity shop here, St. Oswald's Hospice. Let's go have a look.
Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name, everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro,
this. Something has jumped into my mind how you could transform this. I really want to get it and transform it. It's £15. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's even got drawers. And it's already propped off the floor. I feel like I need to buy this piece. Okay, that charity shop, I'm not gonna lie, I was this close, and I'm actually tempted when Rob comes back to go and pop in there again, because I found a coffee table. I have in mind what I could do to it, and I really want to do it. So it's £15. It's got a glass top. It doesn't look the best condition, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. But I was thinking I could put like wood slats all down the side of it. It's already propped off the floor, and then it's got storage. It's got like drawers on the side, so you could actually put stuff inside it as well. I don't know, I'm tempted. I'm going to think about it. We've got more shops to go to, so let's go.
Sunlight that always stays in and by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. Living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I got the bed, the body. We got
Okay, not much to report in that shop. Like, I wasn't blown away. There were some really cool things, but nothing I was like, oh my god, I really want to get my hands on it. But still, lots of inspiration. Looked at a couple of things and thought, oh, I actually could do something with that. But yeah, nothing that like really blew me away. Not like the last shop with that coffee table thing. I'm really tempted. Like, I'm still thinking about it. I'm just trying to wonder when I'll get the time to do it is the only issue. And I know Rob will kill me because we're in his car today, and if I put that janky old thing in the back of his car and scuff it up, he will not be happy. But you know, needs must. I'm not sure where this charity shop is that I'm looking for. I'm hoping I'm going the right way, but it seems to be a little way away. Anyway, let's carry on around the corner because maybe we'll find it, hopefully. I should probably cross that zebra crossing. Oh guys, I'm really frustrated with myself. I really thought that there was a separate charity shop, but now I'm thinking maybe this one that I've just been into, the huge one with the yellow sign, the fireplace one, maybe that was the one that I was looking for, like the one that we must have driven past. So I've been in and it's great, but I could have sworn that there was another one. There is another one next to it, which is much smaller. So we're going to pop in and see. Wow, guys, I think that was the shop. I think that one that we went into was the big one. Let's go down the other end and see if there's another charity shop, and then I might go grab a cup of coffee or tea, because I'm freezing. I can't even explain. I'm freezing cold. And we went to sleep last night with the windows open. Didn't put the heating on, so my throat's very catchy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, pumpkin. I've secured the goods. I got a lemon meringue croissant. I've lost my car, by the way. I don't know where my car is, so okay, I've spotted my car. I've walked past it, but that's fine. I know where it is. But we're about to head into a Bernardo's. And I think this is all the charity shops there are. So unfortunately, this is going to be probably the last one. So I hope you enjoy it.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all
Oh, guys, unfortunately that was so disappointing. But bonus for you, I did just walk past an antique shop. So let's go in. Let's have a pop in.
Like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more.
Oh my god, the last one was definitely like the showstopper, the one to wait for. It was antiques and stuff from like pre First World War, so a lot of it was quite expensive, but you can tell that they're like very good at getting like old antique frames and stuff. Like they've got a very good eye for it. Obviously they've got an antique shop, but oh my god, that's my new favorite shop. All of the gold frames, the gold antique frames. I have been wanting to get my hands on gold antique frames to do up my hallway. So the staircase, I really want to cover that in huge gold mirrors, gold frames. I have got a huge gold mirror already starting it off, but yeah, that place had the best stuff ever. Gonna head home now and eat half of my little pastry because I'm bored as starving. But I really hope that you guys, actually I'm going to switch over to my camera because my phone quality is not that great, but I had to do it because I get scared using my camera in public. It was so busy today. But yeah, so guys, that was such a fun little shop. I don't know how much footage I've got, so I don't know if this is going to be like a whole video or if it's going to be like part of a vlog or something, but there were quite a lot of shops, and considering they're charity shops, like their stock kind of turns over every week, every few days, every week, every couple of weeks, so there's always new stuff. So I will probably make a habit of trying to come down like once a month, especially when I get all of my other projects out of the way, and then I can take on some like upcycling big pieces of furniture, because I really want to do like a dresser, like a cabinet, tall cabinet dresser style. I really want to do like a coffee table, a sideboard. Oh, there's so much that I want to do, so little time. If this is the end of this video, like if I've done a dedicated video to it, then thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing more of these in the future. Hope you liked it. Give me a little like. And also, if you're from the northeast, then or actually anywhere that you are in the world, let people know where the best charity shops are to go to. And actually, do you know what I might do? A bit of a like charity shopping do's and don'ts. Do I even know my do's and don'ts? I don't know. I might sit and have a think about it. I get a lot of questions and a lot of DMs from people saying like, oh, I wish I could go charity shopping. I don't know what I'm looking for. There's always so much crap in my one. There's never anything good. But the thing with that is, there is usually something good, but you've got to have a creative mind. How can I change it? It's never like, can I just buy something and just put it in my house? It's usually, how can I change it? How can I upcycle it? I'm not going to give away my tricks all in one video. No, I'm joking. I really need to go home. I'm blood is starving. So on that note, I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. Mwah.